guys, and welcome back to DIYing to Keep from Crying. Today we are going to make this awesome road. It is perfect for a birthday gift or even a Christmas gift when you are on a very tight budget. The coolest thing about this toy is it is open-ended, meaning kids can play with it however they want to. They can use their imagination and play around with it. As you can see, there are so many different ways to play with it. It's compact, it'll fit like a book, and it can lay flat and just do all sorts of things. Alright, so you've seen how it works. Let's get to how to make it. If you're crafty like me, then you have all of these materials already. But if not, run to your local Walmart and pick up some of these items. I chose to be realistic with the colors of a road, but you don't have to limit yourself to that. Go crazy. Pick any colors you want to.
Be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
When laying down the second strip of duct tape, make sure you keep in mind that we do need enough room for road lines in the middle of the boards.
When I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
Get a wet paper towel and just wipe off the excess paint that landed on the duct tape. It's really simple, just make sure you do it quickly so that the paint doesn't dry.
Break me, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe down below, and leave me a comment of any ideas you want me to try.
Can break me.